How to fix login error on the Rakuten app. To fix the login error on the Rakuten app, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, long press on the Rakuten app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. And also if you're using iPhone, you can try to offload the app instead. Once here, tap on storage usage, tap on the clear cache button, and also you can try to clear the data. Then after that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Rakuten app, check if the app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. And what you can also do is check if your credentials are correct. So sometimes it could be that you're entering an incorrect password. So if you forgot your password, then you can tap on forgot password button over here, then try to reset it. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.